Hi everyone, welcome to ClickChauffeur. Today I'll be showing you how to set up and customize your booking module. By doing this, you'll ensure your booking module is perfectly tailored to your brand, making it easy for your clients to book your services. Let's get started from the ClickChauffeur dashboard. In the menu on the left, click on Module and then Settings. Here, you've got a couple of options, not all of them are compulsory. I'm going to focus on what's the most essentials. You start to enter the URL of your website, then choose your language, any logo or image that you want to add, and that will appear on top of your module right there. Then select your time zone from the drop-down menu and your currency. That's pretty much it. You can also add any message if you're on a holiday or if any or all of your vehicles are actually reserved. You can choose any restriction country. You can also add a minimum or maximum distance for a journey and approach fees. Whenever you're done, you just need to save your new changes. To sum up, we did the basic settings, which are all you need. You enter your website URL, you add a title or logo, choose the currency and set up the time zone, and then you save your changes. This customization alone helps ensure your booking module will align with your brand and provide a seamless booking experience for your clients. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial video.